Hello there, welcome back to our channel. This time we guide you to a cruise ship and talk about the newest features and activities that you can experience there. In recent years, cruise ships have changed a lot. They used to be simple transportation to cool places, but now they're like floating adventure centers. Modern cruise vacations are not just about getting to pretty locations, they're about having exciting experiences right on the ship. Surfing and skydiving simulators. Imagine being on a cruise ship, where you can feel the excitement of surfing on the open sea. With Flowrider surf simulators and skydiving experiences on board, you can experience the thrill of catching a wave or free-falling in a controlled environment. These activities are perfect for adventure seekers who want an adrenaline boost while surrounded by the vastness of the ocean. Ziplining. For an exciting experience, some cruise lines offer ziplining adventures that take you flying above the ship's deck. Feel the wind in your hair as you enjoy breathtaking views of the endless sea. Ziplining gives you a unique opportunity to be part of both the ship and the ocean at the same time, creating unforgettable memories. Entertainment extravaganza. Cruise lines now have fantastic Broadway-style shows and musicals that are as good as the ones in New York City. Relax and enjoy a night of top-notch entertainment with impressive sets, talented actors, and amazing musical performances. These onboard shows bring a bit of Broadway to the high seas. Casino gaming. If you like casino games, cruise ships often have onboard casinos with slots, poker, blackjack, and roulette. It's a chance to try your luck and enjoy the excitement of a casino while surrounded by the sea. Just remember to gamble responsibly. Escape rooms. If you enjoy puzzles and riddles, you'll love the onboard escape rooms. These interactive challenges need teamwork with other passengers to solve intricate puzzles and discover hidden clues, all within a time limit. It's a fun mental adventure that tests your problem-solving skills and wit. Sports and recreation. Rock climbing walls. For a thrilling adventure, try a cruise ship experience where you can conquer new heights on their state-of-the-art rock climbing walls. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the mesmerizing ocean as you scale the heights. Get ready for an exciting experience that adds an extra layer of excitement to your journey. Mini golf and sports courts. If you like friendly competition, cruise ships offer opportunities for sports challenges and tournaments with fellow passengers. Play mini golf, basketball, or even race go-karts on some of the largest vessels. These activities create memorable experiences and a chance to make new friends during your cruise. Spa and wellness adventures. Adventure doesn't always mean thrills. It can also be about relaxation and rejuvenation. Many cruise ships have thermal suites with amenities like saunas, steam rooms, and hydrotherapy pools. These peaceful environments offer a serene retreat from the lively atmosphere on board. Fitness challenges and wellness classes. For passengers who care about their health, cruise ships provide various options to stay active and maintain wellness. From fitness challenges and yoga sessions to dedicated wellness programs, these offerings allow individuals to balance adventurous experiences and self-care during their sea-bound adventures. Setting sail for adventure. In conclusion, modern cruise ships have become exciting destinations themselves. They offer a variety of thrilling activities for all kinds of travelers. From water slides and surf simulators to top-notch entertainment and onboard rock climbing, these floating cities provide more than just breathtaking ocean views. A cruise vacation can offer a thrilling adventure, full of unforgettable experiences and cherished memories. Whether you seek excitement or relaxation, cruise ships provide options for every passenger. So get ready for an extraordinary journey, packed with endless possibilities. Prepare to let the open seas become your playground as you explore the wonders of these modern-day vessels.